The bottom of my rear window is messed up. You can see the fiberglass exposed. I'm going to show you how you can repair that. I'm using 800 sandpaper because I don't want to go too rough on it. It says on the can that it takes 25 minutes to fully cure before you can sand and paint it. Use a spatula, scoop this stuff out of the can, put it in something that you can mix it in. You want to mix it in small batches because it'll dry quick and get hard, and then you won't be able to use it anymore and you'll waste it. This thing broke, so I have the hardener in here. You need very little hardener. It tells you on the can exactly how to do it if you are not sure. You gotta mix it into this very good, otherwise it won't get hard. With your putty knife, put a little bit on it and spread it on. You can clean up the mess later. It's not a big deal. Before it hardens, as you go, you can wipe off the excess. And as you put this on, try to get it as smooth as you can to eliminate sanding once it cures. That'll save you a little time. If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up so YouTube will show it to others. Get some 60 grit sandpaper and start sanding this smooth. Gotta get the Bondo nice and smooth so you can paint it. After you've sanded the epoxy down as much as you want and you're happy with how it looks, start painting it. Make sure you put the blue tape around it so you don't paint the window or any parts of the body. First coat, just give it a light coat. Wait a few minutes and then spray it again. You want to give it at least 3 coats. And that's it. Give the paint at least a few hours to dry. Then you can peel the tape off and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.